Hello folks, it's Chad here, and today we're going to do Crepe Myrtle. I'm just kidding, we're not going to do Crepe Myrtle. Crepe Myrtle is where you take a Crepe Myrtle and like we did our other property, because they're already done that way, you cut off the top and let it grow back every single year, and you always cut it off at the same place, and it makes a lot of blooms, and if they're big enough, it can look really pretty like ours did. However, most of the big 3 Crepe Myrtles around here were trees. This one, however, as you can see, has the main branch right in the middle and a bunch of little branches coming up. I think I would rather it be a tree shape on the bottom instead of lots of these. We have 2 others that have a lot of small stuff, and I have to decide what to do with those. They could be trained right now to 1 branch or 1 stem going up, or leave them like this, more traditional. But this one was already had the 1 main branch, and then all these other ones must have come up in the last couple of years or since whenever it was planted. So I'm going to take those off all down here at the base, so we have just a tree. It may look a little sad, but it's a Crepe Myrtle, and it'll start branching out up here as we do that. So let's try it and see what happens. All right, that looks much better already. Now, I have a limited time for right now. I'll come back in a few days, kind of look at this again, figure out, cut off those drooping branches, maybe trim up these really high ones here, kind of even it out. But for now, I took care of that bottom. Look how much better that looks. Now, have room for growth coming out this way. I think that'll be nice. And then we'll go through it in a few days too, see if there's any crisscrossing branches on there or anything like that. But we have some other trees, some olive trees that are doing the same thing, got some stuff growing from the bottom. Definitely don't want that, so we're gonna clean those up now. Supertuna Bordeaux or Bordeaux, Supertuna Bordeaux. Angel Face Blue, Sparkling Amethyst Superbena, and one more. We have Superbena Pink Cashmere. So all these are kind of soft pink and purpley type of things. We're just gonna rearrange them a little bit, see what we like the best. We want these in the middle or the back? Good question. Let's ponder. That looks nice. If we did in the back. These are my favorites. Ooh. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at how full that is. Oh, I mean, that's amazing. Let's just plant it in like this. The only thing I may do as I ponder this is switch these 2 around. Kind of have purple, pink, purple. But I don't know, might do it like this. I like it. Let's do this. Never tried these before, pretty excited about that. The Angel Face Blue. And this is a Angelonia. put these side by side, not even put them in a separate hole. Put them in one big hole. All go down the hole. Animaniacs reference there. Nice. Kind of want these a little bit crooked sideways going off the edge. I really like these colors. These are my favorites. Beautiful. Yeah, a little deeper still. Supertunia Bordeaux. Bordeaux. Cashmere. One more Supertunia. All right, I think that's gonna fill out nicely. So we don't have any blooms on that one or any of these yet, but that's gonna be the Supertunia Bordeaux, Cashmere. You got your purplish stuff in the back. Look at that, beautiful. All right, let's get this thing watered in and sitting out in the sun.